I recently bought this water filter a little over a month ago and I am really happy with it. The alkaline water filter not only filters out toxins such as fluoride, but it also turns your water into alkaline water. I will be showing you a test I conducted to see if the claims of this filter giving water a high pH level is true. For reference, red means low pH, and as it gets to dark blue and purple, that means it has a high pH. Remember, I have had this filter for over a month now and have been refilling it at least twice a day, sometimes more. As you can see, even after a month of heavy use, the water is still coming out with high pH levels. Thank you for watching, and if you purchase this product, be sure to watch my video on how to set up and use this filter. Also, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.